7:30ish in the morning. I gotta get going to school, so fuck. Ugh. It's a little chilly this morning. I don't know why I'm running the downhill bike, but whew. Yeah, thought I'd vlog my way to school. So I'm gonna shut up now, and I'll see you guys on the trails. So yeah, let's watch the video. Stairs going quickly. Can't breathe at the same time. Jacket collar's too high. Oh man, that just looks really nice. Alright, notes that in the chat. See what? Let's quickly check my phone here. 8:44. Oh shit. Well, I guess I should be able to make it, but could have had fucking breakfast. Alright, let's go. Good old stairs. Oh boy. I really should have brought my downhill bike for this. Shit. Apologize for the wind. The wind noise, guys. I haven't found any trick yet, or if I could adjust that somehow for the noise wind reduction. Sorry for not uploading that much. We're kind of improving a little bit the trails. You'll see what I mean when I'm done school. So yeah, like I said, sorry for not uploading much. Just haven't really got much footage. So yeah, this is the new Hero GoPro Hero 5 Session Air. Costing me around 418 Canadian dollars. So yeah, pretty nifty little camera. Way better than my GoPro Hero 40 than you saw in my last videos. This should be a little bit more stable. Reason why I went with the side mount is because I like the you know, let's just say it's practical use. I could show off the bike and you know, still show the helmet, just a little tiny bit of the helmet, mostly the trail on the bike. So yeah, don't think I'll cross the street today. Normally I would cross the street this way onto the sidewalk, but I'm not gonna. Oh, I guess I said I was gonna shop. Some parts I will show if I want some parts I will talk. Like now I'm talking. Oh jeez. Some people probably gonna think I'm crazy talking to myself. It's so good. Nobody's making a right turn. Thank God. Alright, let's go. Morning, ladies. Chilly now. Chilly enough for me to wear this baby. My first ever school jacket. Just kidding around. Otherwise, pull you guys' legs. Dude, I thought this was for school. No, it still says right there, City Hall. Only if you guys are from Kenora, I'm sure you guys already know what the school, or at least my school, is that way. I'll show you the video when I get underneath the bridge. It'll be a couple seconds. Bridge here. Normally I fucking press. I have to worry about running into people or two. This is like that's like a little fun downhill. You're gonna have to ride down at some time. So see, like you get up there on the slope, you put your lift up your front wheel and back wheel, and you ride down. It's basically like a little beginner steep downhill-ish hill there. You can climb a bit though, but you just need really good gears, like my enduro bike. I will climb up there, but I haven't tried myself to like climb steep hills yet, so which is kind of shitty. So there's my school right there, formerly known as Lakewood, or nowadays they call it, I guess they call it 7 generations. Alright, so this is probably where I will stop the recording. There's the trails. There are my favorite trails. So yeah, this is my school. So then when I cross here, I'll probably turn off my camera over there. So let's get it. Better watch this bus here. Alright, see you guys around. Alright guys, so I just got out of school about approximately 20 or 15 minutes ago. So I just walked my bike all the way up to this descent here. So I'm probably gonna go around this area, Cambrian Way, one of my favorite downhill-ish enduro trails, and then we're gonna go that way towards TA and Beaver Bay. So it should be pretty sick, and I'll probably end it off with at Evergreen there. But enough talking, since I have limited amount of battery and I forgot to charge it this morning. So let's get it. I don't like that sound. My crank just made a funny weird sound, like as if I was shifting gears. But I'm pretty sure my bike's fine, so I'm finishing the movie. Yeah! A little bit of road draft. Enduro-ish area across country. So I'll set up the camera right here, and you know the drill. A couple of drops or cuts. So yeah. Alright, so here we are in the next descent. And I'm just gonna start going down and not talk for one moment. Alright, we'll probably cut forward. That was unexpected. Bunch of cars. Oh, glad I wasn't straight that fast. Okay, for real. Now we're gonna cut towards Cambridge. Alright guys, so we're currently right here at the Cambridge Trail. It's like one of my favorite. Whoa, shit. God damn. Alright. Sorry about that. Right here, this is like one of me and my riding buddy's favorite riding trails. So yeah, I'll get a shot right now and stay focused. Woo! So this is one such an I've yet to practice one day. Yeah, I've almost went like right over the handlebars right here. I kind of agree with my riding buddy there that I made a I don't know what was I thinking, making the stupidest decision by throwing my weight forward and pushing the fucking front brakes. But that doesn't really matter right now, but it probably should. Yeah, gonna head down towards my favorite rock garden. So yeah, I might pause the recording, but yeah. See, like I do alright with rock gardens. Whoa, I almost steered into that fucking rock. But yeah, see, I could do okay. It's just like picking, you know, snagging staggeringly lines like that back there. I can't really, I'm not really good at that. That's why I'm like trying to get better at my lines. So I guess I could start with my speed, but I require more. I want more speed. So yeah, it's probably gonna cut again. So yeah. All right, so this is like one of my favorite rock garden enduro-ish downhill trails. Woo! That was a bit of a tasting. getting adjusted, but I'm just saying, like, I kind of felt that through my arms. Yeah, as I said, this is an enduro-ish trail, or enduro-ish, you know, downhill or downhill-ish enduro trail. Like, it's totally doable. Climb up. And the descents are like super fun. Whew. Gotta get used to like leaning the bike over, you know. That's like one part of my skill is that I need to, whoa, I need to like, you know, get like a practice on, just so you know I could like get used to like turning and shit. So like right now I'm an extreme rookie. Like, if you were to ride with me, like right now in person, you could totally see how shitty I am at turning. Like, I can still get around, like, you know, like wide corners just fine, but at like, you know, berms like that, I could somewhat do it, but like I need to push myself, if you know what I mean. Like, well, yeah, like I said, if you were riding with me back there, you would totally see that I stink at riding right turns. But for whatever reason, I don't know why, I can only do left turns. So yeah, I don't want to bore you guys in this cross country, or sorry, I don't want to bore you guys in this cross country trail. So I'll see you guys in the next rock garden, or next downhill run, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, hang tight. Okay, back to my discussion, guys, about like what I said in cross country trail there. I kind of suck at turning, like leaning the bike over in berms and stuff like that, and right turns going this way. Yeah, I'm not much of a beginner downhill rider or enduro rider, whatever, or mountain biker in general. Like, that's a skill I'm gonna have to work on. The problem is, I don't really have much berms here, so like, I mean, there's one at Beaver Bay, and there's kind of one berm-ish area like right there at that trail we were just at. Yeah, I'm just not very good at turning. Like, I'm not comfortable with like, you know, leaning the bike over, so I guess I have to start practicing on that. You know, the more the merrier, so I can like bring more content with you guys, or for you guys, you know, more, you know, be able to like still keep my speed. Yeah. So we're just gonna hit this quick rock garden, and then we're probably gonna head down towards Beaver Bay, and then like Evergreen. So yeah, just gonna stop talking here so I can like, you know, like get focused. Yeah. A little bit gnarly, still doable. All right, see you guys at Beaver Bay. All right, so this is like enduro-ish part of the Beaver Bay Trail. So rock garden's like to our left once we get to start. You know, once we finish this trail section. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to talk much because I want to stay focused. So yeah, I'll talk when I get to the rock garden. so this is a rock right here. Gotta go and rip it, so here we go. Eating a lot of trash. Alright, so this is my old favorite school, well not favorite, but elementary school, Evergreen. So I did these couple of drops and we'll end the video at the trail down there. So I'll see you soon, guys. Woo! No, we have to tweak my drops. Oh yeah, alright. This trail has a little bit of pump tracks or pump tracky dirt jump kind of section there. See, it's like if you were riding with me, you could see like that was a double right there. That if I knew how to bunny hop, that would be a good little spot to like do the bunny hop at. But I'm no good at bunny hop, so yeah. If I have a battery life, I will definitely end it up the stairs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So or this vlog. So I'll see you guys soon whenever I make my next video. All right, peace.